Hey there, welcome back to my channel where you enjoy watching me making lovely DIYs to inspire you. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave me your sweet comments. In today's video, I am part of Power Up Collab and I will let you know more about that in a few minutes. So with all that being said, let's jump into my first DIY. This project, I need these 3 palettes from Dollar Tree and this hanging sign from Dollar Tree with 3 pieces saying Home Sweet Home and 18 paint sticks. So I needed 2 packs of these small paint sticks and 2 large paint sticks. With these 18 small sticks, lining them down across, and then I'm going to glue other sticks in the back to hold them together to make long sign like this. Using my wood glue and hot glue. I use some antique and brown wax all over it, just rubbing it with the baby white and give a stained wood look. I'm cutting this ribbon attached with these 3 pieces to cover each piece with my scrapbook paper that I have in my stash. And now my palettes. I have 3 mini palettes. I cut for each palette 1 stick to get only 3 sticks for each palette to make my wording with my wood burning tool. So I am gonna use my wood burning tool. I'm gonna spell my words. I'm gonna spell home, sweet home. So home for my first palette and sweet for other palette and home for the third palette. I'm switching my hot stamps letters using my plier, of course, because it's hot. Now when I'm done stamping my hot stamp letters, I'm using these transfers that I got from Dollar Tree to decorate my palettes. Rubbing on top using my popsicle stick, and I'm adding some ginger blocks in the bottom, in the back of each palette, 2 in the bottom and 1 in each side, kind of create mini baskets or pockets to glue them on this long sign. And these large sticks, I'm staining them, then I glue them on each side of this long sign using my wood glue and hot glue. And gluing my baskets, home sweet home. Now I use baby white to spray my Waverly clear wax all over this sign or wall decor to make it shiny and sealed. I'm adding these flowers in each basket, making a bow with these 2 ribbons that I got from Michael's. Attaching these loops in the center to make a bow. Now I'm adding this wooden laser cut flower that I got from Dollar Tree, tracing all around with this white chalk pen to give a nice look, and it's a wonderful addition to my bow. As you see, I didn't use these 3 squares that I made for this project. I think it's not necessary. Maybe I'm gonna use them for other project. This farmhouse decor is amazing. This piece of decor came out so good. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below. And don't forget to click the thumbs up button below if you like it. Now let's talk about this Power Up collab. So this challenge is hosted by Sarah at Sarah Can DIY It and Zana at OK at Home DIY. Please don't forget to check out these amazing ladies' channels as well as the playlist links where you will see or watch different crafters making gorgeous crafts using their power tools. Also, you have a chance to win a $25 gift card. Only you have to comment in each video in the playlist and write the secret word shown or said by the crafter. Just watch the video to the end to get the secret word. Also, I will say my secret word during my second project, Let's jump to the second DIY now. For this project, I have this long sign and these wood planks from Dollar Tree and this sponge orange from toys section in Dollar Tree too. So I'm sanding down all the glitter in this side to cover it with this adhesive brown paper to cover all the back of the sign to use this front side. I'm staining this side with my brown antique wax. I'm cutting this spongy orange in 3 pieces with this bread knife or you can use this your saw. So I'm covering each piece with this orange fabric that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm wrapping with twine, brown twine, for this pumpkin to make ribs pumpkin. I have 3 twine or 3 lines to make kind of pumpkin. I made these 3 pumpkins with this sponge and put in this Spanish raffia between each pumpkin, adding some flowers too. So my secret word is Dremel. Dremel. With this burlap ribbon, I'm covering this small log to make stem for this pumpkin. Glue it on the top with my hot glue, adding tiny sunflowers at the top, and making a bow with these 2 ribbons. Put it on the top of the stem like that. Cute, cute, cute. Making the pumpkin from big to small. With this orange buffalo ribbon, I put it on my wood plank and using my hot stamps letter to spell my words to make this color of orange. I use it for first time, just I tried it and it works, so I said why not. So I am spelling the word blessed with these hot stamps letters using this orange buffalo ribbon. Also I'm using a shade tip to make some leaves all around this wood plank, adding some decoration. To trace wiggly line, I'm using this stencil tip to add more details to this wood plank. Now I'm adding these ginger blocks into this wood plank to make kind of basket to this wall decor. So I have 4 in the bottom for the base of this basket and one ginger block in each side. Glue these blocks together with wood glue and hot glue. Next, I'm gluing this basket in the bottom of this wall decor with my hot glue, adding some flowers or some 3D stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. Adding some details to make it cute farmhouse decor. Before to hang this wall decor, I'm dabbing white chalk paint all around using baby wipe, wiping all around to give a rustic look to this farmhouse decor. I add a pom-pom on top of the bow, same color as the wood plank, to give beautiful look. What do you think about this farmhouse decor? So gorgeous, so beautiful. Voila, voila. I hope you like these 2 projects and let me know in your comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video, for all your likes, for all your sweet comments, and see you soon. Bye.